Friends, imagine having complete control over every pixel in your AI-generated designs. Most tools leave you stuck with whatever the AI decides to create. But what if you could actually direct the process like a real creative agent? I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we are exploring Lovart AI. This isn't just another image generator. It's a full design agent built for professional work. Guys, today we are not just creating one image. We're building a full brand identity for a premium organic cosmetics and supplements brand. We'll test it in practice. We start with a detailed prompt to generate a full mockup with all the core brand elements. Let's see how far we can push this. Also, I have left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Folks, I'll begin with something very simple. I asked the system to create a full brand mockup for an organic cosmetics line. A basic prompt, nothing complicated, and we hit generate. Here's our result. And honestly, it already looks like a complete brand identity. But mates, the packaging looks a bit too simple, like standard cardboard. So let's make it more premium. So mates, let's modify a specific element instead of the whole scene. Normally, replacing a background like this would mean spending ages with masks in Photoshop. But in Lovart, there's a feature called Touch Edit. It lets you interact with elements just by clicking on them. I hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows and click only on the box a few times. Now guys, I just type where I want to be, make the box from bamboo wood and send it for generation. The system understands right away and starts doing its magic. And here's the result. The box is changed, but everything else stays exactly the same. The result looks good, but I still want to improve the composition. The next feature is Edit Elements. Friends, it allows you to change the essence of objects while keeping their geometry. Now I can move objects around the scene, for example, reposition this jar, and the system automatically adjusts shadows and perspective. To add more life, I also asked the AI to place a fresh eucalyptus branch on top of the box. And honestly, this is exactly how I'd imagine a premium organic product setup. But now I want something bigger. Let's look at the banner in the background. It has generic text, but for a real campaign we need a clear message. And guys, this is where the text edit function comes in. Using text editing, I can generate branding directly on the package inside the image. I write my idea to the agent and ask it to replace the text with 100% organic extract. Let's take a look, folks. And here it is. The text fits perfectly into the scene with correct perspective and lighting. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! The result is cool, but I'd like to prepare it for real use. We've created the ideal package design, but for advertising we need a vertical format, not a square image. Usually a designer would have to stretch the background or search for a new photo. But mates, Lovart can see beyond the frame. I use the Expand feature, choose 9:16 format, and let the system extend the scene naturally. And just like that, the image expands while keeping everything consistent. The product photo now looks perfect for social media. Alright, now let's push this further and really test the editing features. Let's use Expand one more time and extend the image on the sides, so nothing gets cropped. And look at this, Lovart reconstructs the scene automatically, extending the stone texture, fully revealing the packaging and keeping everything consistent. If we compare before and after, the difference is clear. Before it felt tight, now the composition is clean and balanced. Now guys, let's switch to a different case, because this paper bag still looks too simple for a premium brand. Instead of masking it manually, I just hold Command or Control and click directly on the bag using Touch Edit. Now I'll change the material to something more premium and generate. And here's the result. Same object, same position, but now it actually looks high-end. We can even push it further and turn it into a transparent acrylic gift bag. And just like that, we get a completely different style that still fits perfectly into the same scene. Next, folks, let's try text editing. These bottles still have generic text, so I'll simply replace it with our brand name and logo. And as you can see, the result looks clean, properly aligned, and now the whole setup feels like a real product line instead of a placeholder. And finally, one more case, the business card. I'll select it and generate a print-ready mockup with placeholder data, and then update the text using text edit. Everything adapts correctly, so now we are not just looking at visuals, but at a ready-to-use business card mockup. With one click, we now have a ready visual for a marketing campaign. And look at this result, folks! Step by step, we built a full visual identity, not just a single image. Friends, Lovart doesn't just draw pictures, it actually does the work. Alright folks, that's a wrap. Lovart doesn't just draw pictures, it does the work. What we just demonstrated is the entire creative process compressed into minutes, from one prompt to a full brand identity, including materials, composition, and marketing visuals. This is what true creative control looks like. You're not hoping the AI gets it right. You're directing it, refining it, and iterating until it matches your vision exactly. From mundane office lunch to premium brand launch, all without leaving your browser. If you're excited to try it out, or have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time!